Right now, you are sitting comfortably and watching this video, but what if I told you that the very spot where you sit today was once recovering from searing temperatures of over 8,500 degrees millions of years ago? Or perhaps it was buried under thick ice for millions of years. Surprisingly, both of these statements are true. In this video, we will take you on a 4.5 billion year journey to uncover the fascinating story of Earth's evolution. Billions of years ago, before our solar system even existed, the space where it now lies was filled with immense clouds of gas and dust. These clouds floated aimlessly until an extraordinary event took place. Far away, there was a massive star that began to lose its energy. As it neared the end of its life cycle, this star collapsed under its gravity, triggering a massive explosion known as a supernova. This explosion caused the surrounding dust and gases to compress under tremendous pressure. Over time, the dust particles started clumping together, forming larger bodies like meteors and stones. Due to the immense pressure and heat, the radioactive materials within these dust clouds began to generate gravity. This marked the beginning of the process that would eventually give birth to our solar system. In the center of this process, hydrogen and helium gases were drawn together, forming a massive ball of fire, the Sun. With the Sun's creation, its gravitational pull began drawing in heavy asteroids scattered across space. These asteroids collided with one another, and through these violent impacts, the planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars were formed. At this point, Earth shared its orbit with another planet known as Theia. A colossal collision between Earth and Theia caused a significant amount of debris to scatter into space. Over time, this debris coalesced into a celestial body we now know as the Moon. Back then, Earth was far from hospitable. Its surface was dominated by a single, boiling ocean with temperatures reaching 100 degrees Celsius. Volcanoes erupted incessantly, releasing gases into the atmosphere, while meteors bombarded the planet, bringing with them essential elements like minerals, salts, and water. These events set the stage for the creation of life, although Earth's surface remained unstable and chaotic for millions of years. As the planet gradually cooled, heavy elements like metals and radioactive materials sank to the core, while lighter substances floated to the surface. This differentiation of materials allowed Earth's surface to stabilize to some extent. During this time, microorganisms began to form in the deep ocean near hydrothermal vents. These microorganisms utilize sunlight and water to produce oxygen, marking the first significant transformation of Earth's atmosphere. For millions of years, meteors continued to rain down on Earth, delivering essential materials. The increasing oxygen levels eventually led to the creation of Earth's first stable atmosphere. However, this transformation was not without its challenges. Iron dissolved in Earth's oceans began settling into the crust, giving the planet a reddish hue. As tectonic plates shifted, they released immense amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. This triggered acid rain, cooling the planet significantly. Over time, Earth entered its first ice age, with the entire surface covered in snow and ice. This snowball Earth period lasted for millions of years, with the reflective ice preventing the sun's rays from warming the planet. Volcanic eruptions eventually broke through the icy surface, releasing carbon dioxide and causing a greenhouse effect. This melted the ice, leading to a temporary warming of the planet. However, this cycle of freezing and thawing continued for ages, forcing marine life to adapt to these extreme conditions. Gradually, as volcanic activity persisted, land masses began to form, and life continued to evolve. Around 470 million years ago, plants like bamboo began to appear on land. Over time, Earth became lush with vegetation, and trees grew to remarkable heights, reaching up to 100 feet. Meanwhile, marine animals began adapting to life on land, evolving into amphibians and later reptiles. At this point, all of Earth's continents were joined together in a supercontinent known as Pangaea. As life on Earth diversified, dinosaurs emerged as the dominant species. These massive creatures adapted to their environment, with some developing long necks to feed on tall vegetation, while others became swift and agile predators. Dinosaurs ruled Earth for millions of years, thriving in a stable climate. However, the stability did not last forever. Around 65 million years ago, a massive meteorite, larger than Mount Everest, hurtled toward Earth at an incredible speed of 80,000 kilometers per hour. The impact released an amount of energy equivalent to 100 million nuclear bombs, triggering catastrophic events across the globe. Forests were incinerated, massive tsunamis swept across the oceans, and the atmosphere was filled with dust and debris. This event caused a nuclear winter, blocking sunlight and drastically cooling the planet. Most species, including the dinosaurs, were wiped out. Only small, adaptable creatures that could live underground survived. As the dust settled over thousands of years, Earth began to recover. The ice melted and forests started regrowing, providing a new environment for the surviving species. Among the survivors were the ancestors of mammals. In Africa, early primates began to adapt to changing conditions, eventually leading to the evolution of apes. As the climate shifted and forests dried up, these apes began walking on two legs to search for food more efficiently. Over millions of years, they evolved into early humans. Early humans spread across the globe, adapting to various climates and developing tools, languages, and cultures. They formed societies, built civilizations, and began shaping the planet in ways no other species had before. This incredible journey, from a fiery ball of gas and dust to a thriving planet filled with life, highlights the resilience of nature and the complex processes that made life on Earth possible. Thank you for watching this exploration of Earth's remarkable history. See you next time.